Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Now I am going to explain about 5 easy steps to what to do when your Vizio TV won't turn on and how to fix the power problems. Do you know what to do when your Vizio TV won't turn on? Any electronic device can have a power problems. This can be caused by component failure inside the TV, power surges or wiring problems in your home. Power problems might require service or replacing parts inside the TV. Before you try to use your warranty services or pay have the TV repaired, there are several quick methods you can use to get your TV working. These steps quick and require no tools. With any lucky your TV will be working within a minutes. Now I will explain about first easy step, that is called verify that display is not showing an image. If your TV shows a blank screen, that does not mean is not on. This could be a panel or a source issue rather than a problem with the power. Now I will explain about it is in a power issue, either a cable issue or what. You get to know easily. First of all, you take your remote and press the menu button on your remote on the side of the TV. If the TV menu will be appear on the screen, after pressing that button, then the TV is on and does not have any power issue. The blank screen is more likely the result of a source issue, such as a problem with the cable or satellite TV services. Now I will explain about second method, that is called use the power button on the TV instead of the remote. A problem with the remote might make you think there is a problem with the TV. It could be that the TV is working fine but the remote is faulty. Use the power button on the side of the TV. Determine if the problem is caused by the remote. Users sometimes think there are no buttons on Vizio TVs. Nearly every Vizio TV manufactured in 2014 or later has a power button on the back of the TV, so it's easy to miss. Reach around the lower left corner of the TV. The power button is on the back of the TV, and this might be just what you need to get your TV working. TVs made before 2014 will have an on off button on the left or right side. If this button works, then the problem is coming from the remote. You might just need new batteries, or there may be something blocking the IR sensor on the TV. Now I will explain about third step, that is power cycle the TV. A power cycling can solve a lot of odd problems with the Vizio TVs. First, disconnect the TV's power cord from the power outlet and leave it unplugged. Press the hold power button on the TV for 10 seconds. After you have held the button for 10 seconds, let go, then try to power the TV on. Now I will explain about fourth method, reset the power cord. A loose power cord might be causing the problem. The power cord can be detected from the most Vizio TVs. It can easily get disconnected by house pets or if the TV is moved while cleaning. Unplug the power cord from the back of the TV, reconnect it again and then test the TV. Now I will explain about fifth method, that is called test the TV when connected to a new outlet. Verify the TV is using a functioning wall outlet. You always want to attempt to power the TV on using a second outlet. Test a new outlet even if other devices work in the first outlet. Connect the TV's power cord a new outlet that you have not used yet, then the test TV again. Don't use a surge protector when using a new power outlet because these devices can sometimes be the source of the problem. If the TV works now, then it was the original outlet that was causing the problem all along. Hopefully your TV is on after trying one of the above steps. If your TV still is not working, then it has an issue that needs to be repaired. You might be able to have your TV repaired under warranty, so contact Vizio. Maybe satellite dish has been touched, but you can value the rooftop services from the Technigo of Vizio. Technical support repair will be explained what options you have to fix your TV. If you have any further questions or comments, please leave them comment below. Thank you.